Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta giving you your weekly update and some information in regards to our course. Just want to make sure that you are aware this week is halfway through the semester. I know it's gone pretty quickly. We are in week 4, which is where you're seeing here online. During this week, you have chapters 7 and 8 to complete, as well as the weekly discussion. And if you can comment on the video, and you should be all set. Now, I think there was a little confusion I want to clarify. In your discussions every week, in order to get a 100%, you will have to reply to 2 other students besides your original post. And then when I put up a post, there has to be some interaction between us, the professor end with the student, and then your end to me. So if you can reply to either a question that I've posted in your replies, or if you can reply to this video, that would fulfill that requirement. Other than that, I am going to already set up week number 5 and 6. It will not be available to complete, but I'm going to do that in anticipation. I had to take an unexpected trip and will be maybe offline for a couple weeks. Next week is your spring break, so that gives us some time. Week 5 will still open up. You will still be required to complete that work during your spring break. It's more for people who are going to school than it is for people who are online. But I will also include either Miss Beam or Dr. Pickerns to come and assist with this course. I might be out for an extended period of time, which will put me out before, I guess, for the rest of the semester. That being said, I still will be checking emails occasionally, so if you need something, I will also set up a forward to go to one of those 2 professors to help you out. However, if there's anything that you need answered immediately, please contact either Miss Beam or Dr. Pickerns to be able to help you. Registration is still going on for the summer, so if you need to register, they would be the best people to contact. If you are in the Whitfield Murray County campus, the other instructors in that campus are being helpful and helping my students out, so you can still show up. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, please reach out to one of those individuals. If not, then I hope to see you in other classes. Have a wonderful day, guys, and take care.